Welcome to our hotel.
Thank you very much.
How can I help?
I'd like to check in.
What is your name?
My name is Emma.
Nice to meet you.
Nice meeting you too.
Do you have a reservation?
Yes, I do have one.
May I see your passport?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome, thank you.
How long are you staying?
Just 3 nights, please.
Arriving today, Miss Emma?
Yes, just arrived today.
Had a good journey?
Yes, quite good, thanks.
Traveled far today?
Yes, from very far.
Where are you from?
I'm from New York.
First time here?
Yes, first time ever.
Welcome to our city.
Thank you so much.
Is this your luggage?
Yes, just one suitcase.
Need help with it?
Yes, please help me.
Our porter will help.
Thank you very much.
Single or double room?
Single room, please.
Room with city view?
Yes, please, that's perfect.
Smoking or non-smoking room?
Non-smoking room, please.
Any floor preference, Emma?
Higher floor if possible.
5th floor is available.
That sounds perfect, thanks.
Room number is 512.
Great, thank you much.
Here is your key.
Thank you very much.
Breakfast is included, Emma.
Oh, wonderful, thank you.
Breakfast starts at 7.
Perfect, I'll be there.
It ends at 10.
Good, that's plenty of time.
Like coffee or tea?
I prefer coffee, please.
We have both available.
Wonderful, I love that.
Do you need Wi-Fi?
Yes, please, I do.
Password is Hotel 2024.
Thank you, got it.
Is Wi-Fi free here?
Yes, completely free here.
Need airport transport help?
No, I'm fine, thanks.
Have any allergies, Emma?
No allergies at all.
Need extra pillows tonight?
Yes, 1 extra, please.
Extra blanket needed too.
Yes, please, thank you.
Room service is available.
Great, good to know.
Available 24 hours daily.
Perfect, that's very helpful.
Restaurant is on 2nd floor.
Good, I'll visit tonight.
Restaurant opens at noon.
Perfect timing for me.
Do you like Italian food?
Yes, I love it.
We serve Italian cuisine.
Wonderful, I'm very excited.
Bar is also open.
Good, I might visit.
Bar closes at midnight.
Okay, good to know.
Gym is on 3rd floor.
Great, I love gyms.
Gym opens at 6.
Perfect. I'll go early.
Pool is also available.
Wonderful. I love swimming.
Pool is on rooftop.
Oh, that sounds amazing.
Opens at 8 daily.
Perfect. I'll go tomorrow.
Towels are provided there.
Great. Thank you much.
Need spa services, Emma?
Yes, that sounds lovely.
Spa is on 4th floor.
I'll book one tomorrow.
Shall I book now?
Yes, please, book it.
Morning or afternoon session?
Afternoon session, please.
2 o'clock available?
Yes, perfect. I'll go.
Need a wake-up call?
Yes, at 7, please.
Every morning or once?
Every morning, thank you.
Need a taxi tomorrow?
Yes, please arrange one.
What time, Miss Emma?
9 in the morning.
Great London sightseeing choice.
Yes, I'm very excited.
Visited London before?
No, this is first.
London is very beautiful.
I've heard that, yes.
Visit the tower too.
Yes, I definitely will.
Tower Bridge is amazing.
I cannot wait to see it.
Hyde Park is beautiful.
I'll visit it too.
Take the red bus.
Yes, I really want to.
It's a great experience.
Sounds very exciting, thanks.
Need a city map?
Yes, please, that helps.
Here is your map.
Thank you very much.
Mark the top places.
Great idea, thank you.
Weather is nice today.
Yes, perfect for sightseeing.
Bring a light jacket.
Good advice, thank you.
London can be cold.
I'll keep that in mind.
Rain is possible too.
I have an umbrella.
Very smart, Miss Emma.
Thank you, I'm prepared.
Any other questions, Emma?
Yes, one more, please.
Go ahead, please ask.
Is laundry service available?
Yes, it is available.
How long does it take?
Ready by next morning.
Perfect, thank you very much.
Leave bag outside door.
Okay, I'll do that.
Before 10 at night.
Okay, I'll remember that.
Anything else for you?
No, that's everything, thanks.
Enjoy your stay, Emma.
Thank you so much.
Call us anytime, Emma.
I will, thank you.
Dial 0 for reception.
Got it, thank you.
We are always here.
That's very reassuring, thanks.
Have a wonderful stay.
Thank you, I will.